issue this evening in which I don't quite see the issue. Young Jamaican sprint sensation, 16-year-old Brianna Williams, the now world under-20 double sprint champion. I've been doing some checking around the local athletics fraternity, and believe it or not, some people are actually worried about the early success of this young prodigy. The thinking is that her coach Otto Bolden is pushing her too hard, and she's lifting too much weights, and she's doing too much work for a still physically developing 16-year-old. The worry is that she will get overworked and burnt out and might not transition into senior stardom. But the Maverick totally disagrees. I don't know what some people want out of life. Brianna Williams is not running at champs year after year after year. That is what burnout and mash up young athletes. All that happened is that she ran some races against big women. She even beat some of them. She hit the gym and do some extra work, all in preparation for the World Championships. She win her sprint double, mission accomplished, what people complaining about. Plus, I don't know that Brianna Williams is beating other 16-year-olds because of the amount of weights she's lifting. For all I know, she's just simply more talented, better, and faster than every other 16 or even 18 and 19-year-old. Some of these people seem to think that the world is level and that all men and women are created equal. And that's another thing. These people don't realize that people naturally faster than people. Who don't believe me? All right, watch him up. Watch him up. 1, 2, go!